Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the imbalance so you train the right side. Notice posture and do a quick 10-second brace hold. Once done, practice diaphragmatic breaths and pelvic tilts to prime the nervous system. Make sure to pick 2 primary corrective moves now, one anti-extension and one anti-rotation, and add a brief mobility warm-up for hips and thoracic spine so you can move into loaded work safely. This front-loads assessment and the first actionable steps without delay. You now expand into detailed execution. Prioritize unilateral, controlled strength to rebalance neural patterns. Once warmed, perform Palloff presses with 3 sets of 8 to 12 controlled reps, then follow with single-arm farmer holds and split stance carries to force the weaker side to stabilize under load. Make sure to use a deliberate tempo and focus on breathing. This reinforces motor control. Track load, hold times, and side-to-side differences so you can objectively progress and avoid reintroducing asymmetry. You finish by reinforcing gains and validating symmetry. Slowly increase load by about 5 to 10% only when control is solid, and keep mobility and breathing drills in every session. Once done, perform a monthly balance assessment to measure progress and adjust programming. If you hit persistent pain or regression, stop increasing load, reduce intensity by half, and seek a clinician to rule out structural issues. This troubleshooting step prevents setbacks and keeps your corrective strategy on track.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.